Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take computer class for class 4. Our today's topic is chapter 8 question answer. We will do question answer from chapter 8 today. This is lecture number 5 and homework number 4 will be given today. So dear students, please look at our today's lesson. In the previous class we read chapter 8 planning and instructions, and now we will practice question number 1 from this chapter. So question number 1, what is the importance of planning and instructions for a computer? We read about it in the chapter, so now we will answer this question. Answer: any work must be properly planned to be performed well. Computers also need step-by-step clear instructions to complete a job. Instructions should be clear and given in the right order, because a computer cannot think by itself. It only follows the step-by-step instructions to properly complete a task. So we know that a computer doesn't have a brain, it cannot think like humans. So it follows the step-by-step instructions given to it to properly complete a job or task given to it. Let's read the question answer again. Our question was, what is the importance of planning and instructions for a computer? Answer: any work must be properly planned to be performed well. We know that any work has to be planned properly for the work to be performed well. If we don't plan properly, it cannot be performed well. There will be problems. Computers also need step-by-step clear instructions to complete a job. So like any work, the work given to computers also can be performed well when clear instructions are given. And it needs to be step-by-step clear instructions. The instructions need to follow proper order. The steps need to be given clearly in proper order. Instructions should be clear and given in the right order, because a computer cannot think by itself. If the instruction is not clear, then the computer will not be able to follow it properly, because a computer cannot think by itself. It can't think by itself like humans can. It just follows the orders. It only follows the step-by-step instructions to properly complete a task. This question answer will be your homework. This is homework number 4, chapter 8, question answer 1. Please do the homework carefully. Okay dear students, this was today's class. Please do the homework properly, learn the question answer and write it properly, then submit the homework on next Saturday. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.